Alright, go. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I just recently finished my last video talking about the bike meet that I'm hosting this weekend, Saturday, November 20th, I believe, and all the details about that. And now onto today's video. I am currently meeting up with a fan favorite. He hit me up, I think, yesterday, and he told me that pretty much he's in Southern California. So I was like, hell yeah, definitely I am down to go for a little cruise ride, whatever we're about to do. But we are supposed to meet up somewhere here. It is pretty chilly. I would like it to be warmer. It was a little warm the past couple days, but not today. It's all good though. It is November after all, so I can't expect for the weather to be like perfect. I don't even know where they are. I think I see them. Haha, so many R1s. Oh. What's up, everyone? Yay! What's up, Kay, man?
John, nice to meet you.
Kay. How are you doing, Kay? How are you doing? Long time no see.
No, how are you?
Well, you moved. You're far now, huh? Chilling. I'm alright. Holy R1s and R6s and... Oh, wait, there's no R6s. Oh, no. So 1, 2, 3, 4... Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. Too many for me to count. This is sick. I think I've seen this on Instagram. Whose is this? That's dope, man. That is, I mean, it looks like it.
Each triangle is one individual one.
Six R1s and one S1000. This will be fun. It is way too cold. I don't like this. I wanted to buy something from Nike, but I didn't want to make people wait, so I might just suck it up. Oh, that's nice. I'm literally shivering on this bike right now. It is loud. Yeah, son, please come out. I'm trying to enjoy our ride. I'm dead. I am dead. I am dead. What is going on here? That C project sounds really good. No, we're not going. Ooh. water is literally right there. No wonder I'm freezing. She's not happy about this. God damn! Look at that! Oh my god. Oh. It's gonna get colder and colder because we're going by the pier. That's what he was saying. Yeah. Oh, here we are. Look at that. Yeah, closer to where I live, you'll definitely get pulled over by the beach if you have any sort of customizations on your bike. Mainly performance, of course. Or like, nah, there's a lot. I'm not gonna go through the whole list. Wow. Look at the sun shining through the clouds. Holy. Bro, what even is going on right now? My guy over there is like scraping. This guy does not like it. Jeez. Probably needs a new battery for the GoPro, I'm assuming. Oh my god. makes it look so easy. Alright, my battery's dead, but thank you so much for watching. Sorry that I had to cut this video short. Peace out, ride safe.